In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to go about creating a new local user profile on your Windows 10 device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in settings, best result, come back with settings, go ahead and open that up. Now you want to select the accounts tile. And now on the left side, select family and other users. And now on the right side where it says other users, select the add someone else to this PC, and then select that I don't have this person's sign-in information. And then select add a user without a Microsoft account. And then you can go ahead and create a local user account for them. You can sign out of this user account once you've created it, or restart your computer, and you can add a password here, and you just created a new user account for your device. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.